In this video, we'll go over offline map management using the EarthMate app that goes with the inReach for smartphone. Here, let's go into the map section here, and we get a prompt message indicating do we want to download topographic maps or not. Here we'll say yes. Bear in mind though, we are downloading offline, so we'll need a Wi-Fi connection. Here's some instructions here. We'll tap next, and we'll get a prompt here to download the world reference data, which is 150 meg download. Do recommend that you download that. So let's just sit back here and watch it download. Once it's done here, we'll go to our next situation, which is to get a specific map of an area that will be going out hiking in a few months. So now we're finished downloading the base information. Now we can scroll and zoom here on the map to select the specific region that we're going to go out hiking in a few months. Here we're going to go to Mount Katahdin in Maine. So let's just zoom in here, and what we're going to do here is zoom in really tight in the area just to get the main area of Baxter State Park where Mount Katahdin is located here. The reason for that is we are downloading the maps to our device, but we just want to get the really specific area here. So once we have our region selected, we see here we got another 75 megs of maps to download. So let's download that. Now once that's done, let's zoom out and download the maps for our home location, which is out here in Nova Scotia. So what we're going to do here is we're going to zoom out a bit and try to capture the area that we're going to travel around. So let's select that. You can see here that we have quite a bit of maps to choose from here. Now we're not going to do any sailing, so we can turn those off, reduce the download amount. Alright, still kind of big. So let's go into the Delorme topo and just select a region that's more appropriate for us. Here we have 4 maps available. Let's choose the one for our area. So we're down to 100 megs download for that. So let's do that. So now 150 megs for the base, 75 megs for our hiking region, and another 100 megs for our area. Now once we have all the maps downloaded, we can go around and pinch and zoom just like we would any other maps app. Notice here we don't have any details. So let's double check in our layers here in our data management to make sure that the maps that we've downloaded have been enabled. Let's go in here. Notice that we only have the main enabled. So let's turn on our region here. And now you can see that we have the shading and the elevation lines here. Now let's say we're running out of space on our device. We want to delete some of the maps. Let's say we're done our hike. We can tap on edit, select our map, and delete it and save some room here. And we'll go back. We can deselect the layers, and there you go. Bear in mind the size of your device, how much room you have, but otherwise that's how you deal with maps with the Delorme inReach. When you're sending messages, it takes the GPS from the smartphone, not from the inReach. But you can see here the message light is on. That means that it is sending the message out to Facebook, and we should see the